the delivery boy who became CEO. In Mumbai, a teenage boy named Ravi worked as a pizza delivery boy to support his family. Every day after school, he rode his cycle for hours, rain or shine. One day, while delivering a late night pizza, he met a kind businessman who asked him, "Why are you working so hard at this age?" Ravi replied, "Because I want to become something bigger one day." Impressed, the man gave him a scholarship to study. Ravi worked hard, finished his MBA, and years later, he started his own food delivery company. His business became a huge success. People asked him, "What's your secret?" Ravi smiled and said, "The streets taught me speed. The customers taught me service. The struggle taught me everything." Moral: your beginnings don't define your future. Hard work, honesty, and learning from every step can take you to great heights.